If you're tired of prepping your garden beds by hand, you're not alone. My name is Kate with WTI, and you have to get your hands on this Ecarke cordless tiller. Now, this particular one works with DeWalt batteries, so if you have any on hand, you're already halfway there. It's really easy to assemble, but the best part is that when you're done using it, it folds in half, so it's compact for storage. It has an adjustable handle for different heights, and it's very lightweight, easy to take around. It also has a few included safety features, which is great. It's obviously wireless because it uses the battery, so all you do is slide the battery in and you're ready to work. Now this will break up compact ground. It really does a great job at tilling up the soil and making them perfect for planting. If you do happen to come across some weeds or grass and it gets caught up in there, it comes apart incredibly easy so you can clean it out. So don't be stubborn and have to do everything by hand. This is going to make light work of that task so that you can move on to the fun stuff. And that's my point of view.